So our aim today is 9.6, how can we simplify operations of trigonometric functions? So what is another ratio that can be found when sine of theta is equal to 3 over x? Well, we can also write the cosecant, or the reciprocal of sine, as x over 3. Can we simplify cosine of theta over sine? How would we do that? Well, we know that cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Notice that the two minor fractions have hypotenuse in their denominators. Therefore, we can simplify that to be adjacent over opposite, or cotangent of theta. Of note, if you know that sine of theta over cosine theta is equal to tangent of theta, the reciprocal of that would also be the reciprocal of tangent, cotangent. So now we have to simplify cosecant of theta times tangent of theta. So you can write this as 1 over sine of theta times sine of theta over cosine of theta. Notice how both sines cancel or simplify to be 1. Therefore, this is 1 over cosine of theta, which is also known as secant of theta. To the right, I've also just derived how sine of theta over cosine of theta is equal to tangent of theta, as a recap from previous lessons. Another way that you could do this is you could write them in terms of the sides of a triangle. So cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. This simplifies to be hypotenuse over adjacent, which is also secant of theta. So your homework tonight is to complete the worksheet. If you cannot fill out the worksheet on a Google Doc or print it, draw boxes on loose leaf and fill them out. You also have a Delta Math homework.